Hello. Welcome to this beginner American English pronunciation course. I'm so glad you're here. This course is designed to help you learn the different sounds from A all the way to Z. Pronunciation is the foundation to any language because by correctly pronouncing the sounds and words, you can communicate with others and be understood by them. I will do my best to speak slowly in each video. The idea is that you will go through one video per day and practice all the words and sounds with me in the video. You cannot improve your pronunciation only by listening. You must speak. So don't be shy. I will be with you the whole way, and by the end of the month, you will have learned the sounds that all of the letters in the alphabet make. You will have more confidence to speak English, and you will be ready to dive deeper into the English language. If one letter is harder than another, I encourage you to watch the video a second or even a third time. Go over it as many times as you need until the sounds are in your brain and they come easily out of your mouth. So shall we get started?